All right, y'all. Let's talk about these fixed signs. So, yeah, let's freestyle this real quick. So, I'm gonna tell y'all how to read this in the natal chart, right? So, no matter what aspect of life you is, because when you're looking at your natal chart, whether you're looking at your actual zodiac or you're looking at your house system, right? All of those aspects are telling you what area of life you are experiencing or distributing energy within. Okay, so overstand that and understand that, and then on top of that, overstand that astrology is divine mathematics. So when you learn how an element uh, interacts with you and how and in your relationship with it, you have to understand that this is how this person is interacting with this person, place, or thing, right? This shows their relationship. So going back to fixed signs, for example. So now if you're trying to see it within the natal chart or within the house system, look at the area of life that the house is talking about and apply the element and apply the modality. And if it's fixed, 9 times out of 10, that is the area of life where this person is not able to change. It doesn't matter what perspective you add to their repertoire. It doesn't matter how much insight you give this person, okay, or how much insight or creativity or whatever elements you add to this person, to this place or thing that is utilizing the fixed energy. They're not going to change. Doesn't matter whether it's fire, whether it's air, whether it's earth or water. If it's fixated, it's going to be fixed, which means that it's going to be stubborn as hell. It's going to be super stubborn. So let's take two of the ones that are a little more flexible. Let's look at an Aquarius, and let's look at an Aquarius and a Leo. Okay, Aquarius and Leos because they're dealing with energies that are very movable and very floaty. You know what I'm saying? Air and fire. They're both very airy. They're both very, they have a lot of ether in them. Okay, so they're a part of the atmosphere. Okay, so they're able to maneuver in and out of different frequencies. So sometimes, even if they're fixated, they can get down with what you're talking about. They can get down with what you're trying to the perspective that you're trying to add to them or that you're trying to give them. They can get down with change. Okay, they might not like change. They might express how much they don't like change, but they can still get down with change. Versus somebody who is a Taurus and that's Earth, and versus somebody who is a Scorpio that's water. When they're fixed, they're fixed. There ain't no change in them.